Are you ready? Let's go! What do you think, Ivy? Are you cold? How about you, Lance? You cold? Woo! There goes the toboggan. Daddy came out to help pull. Keeps the puller warm, but the little ridees get really cold. That's great.